What is going on, sapiens of the internet? My name is Sid and welcome to Sid's World. It is currently the holidays and I have gone to an island. I am on an island and everyone should know that because basically the only people that watch my vlogs are people that I know. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I have managed to get myself a job, and who would hire me? I don't know, but I did it, and so I think I'm working soon, and I think it's like $10 an hour. I don't know, but anyways, I am going to try to keep my vlogs a lot shorter because nobody's gonna watch me for 10 minutes, even though I know you guys want to. No, nobody does want to do that. Anyway, it is Saturday. Oh, lizard. Ah, missed it. Anyway, it is Saturday and I started to vlog today because this is why. So this is why I started vlogging today, because I found this bird right here. I'll show you in a second. So here is a bird here. It is currently still alive. I tried to move it into a different position, but it may have fallen down. And now it's like this. And I don't know what to do with it because it has got a broken leg and its wings are useless. I don't know what's happened. I just found it on the ground. And yeah, I have no idea what to do with it. I think my friend's telling me to put it out of its misery and just there's rocks around here. I could easily just smash its head open with a rock and just kill it, but I don't know. Please comment what I should have done in the future, so I feel very guilty, cause guilt is a good emotion.
Knowing is growing. growing.